Chichen Itza, located in Mexico, is an iconic archaeological site that attracts tourists from all over the world. Its rich history and breathtaking landscape make it a must-visit destination for travelers interested in ancient civilizations. For those planning to visit Chichen Itza, watching drone footage can give an idea of what to expect during the trip. These videos often capture the vastness and beauty of the place from above. Chichen Itza is renowned for its well-preserved ruins of the Maya civilization. The site is home to remarkable structures such as the famous El Castillo pyramid, also known as the Temple of Kukulcan. This architectural masterpiece showcases advanced knowledge of astronomy and mathematics. The site's historical significance combined with its natural beauty makes it a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike.